Many studies have shown that green tea extract can promote weight loss, blood sugar regulation, disease prevention, and exercise recovery. It can also help keep your skin and liver healthy, reduce blood fat levels, regulate blood pressure, and improve brain health. It can be consumed in capsule, liquid, or powder form. So, we are going to talk about green tea, which is my favorite tea to drink. Green tea is my go-to solution. Green tea is touted to be one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. It is loaded with antioxidants that have many health benefits, which may include improved brain function, fat loss, protecting against cancer, lowering the risk of heart disease. Hello friends, here in this video we are going to tell you about the benefits of green tea in detail. But before I start this video, if you are new on our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to it and hit the bell icon also for further new video notifications. Let's begin with the 9 health benefits of green tea. Number 1 contains healthy bioactive compounds. Green tea is more than just a hydrating beverage. The green tea plant contains a range of healthy compounds that make it into the final drink. Tea is rich in polyphenols, which are natural compounds that have health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and helping to fight cancer. Green tea contains a catechin called apigallocatechin 3 gallate, which is called EGCG. These free radicals play a role in aging and many types of diseases. EGCG is one of the most powerful compounds in green tea. Research has tested its ability to help treat various diseases. In fact, it appears to be one of the main compounds that give green tea its medicinal properties. Green tea also has a small amount of minerals that can benefit your health. That being said, even if you choose a lower quality brand, the benefit still outweigh any risk. Moving on to point number 2. Number 2 may improve brain function. Green tea does more than just keep you alert. It may also boost brain function. The key active ingredient is caffeine, which is a known stimulant. It does not contain as much as coffee, but enough to produce a response without causing the jittery effects associated with the taking in too much caffeine. Caffeine affects the brain by blocking an inhibitory neurotransmitter called adenosine. This way, it increases the firing of neurons and concentration of neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. Research has consistently shown that caffeine can improve various aspects of brain function, including mood, vigilance, reaction time, and memory. However, caffeine is not only brain-boosting compound in green tea, it also contains the amino acid L-theanine, which can cross the blood-brain barrier. Number 3, increases fat burning. Exactly, if you want to lose weight, green tea is your go-to drink. If you look at the ingredients list, for any fat-burning supplement, chances are green tea will be on there. This is because, according to research, green tea can increase fat burning and boost metabolic rate. Caffeine may also improve physical performance by mobilizing fatty acids from fat tissues and making them available for use as energy. 2 separate studies reported that caffeine may increase physical performance by approximately. Green tea may boost metabolic rate and increase fat burning in the short term. Although not all studies agree. Number 4, antioxidants may lower the risk of some cancer. Absolutely, you heard it right. Cancer is caused by the uncontrolled growth of cells. It is one of the world's leading cause of death. Green tea has powerful antioxidants that may protect against cancer. Multiple studies show that green tea drinkers have a lower risk of various types of cancer. Breast cancer. A comprehensive review of observational studies found that women who drank the green tea had an approximately 20 to 30% lower risk of developing breast cancer, one of the most common cancers in women. Prostate cancer. One study observed that men drinking green tea had a lower risk of advanced prostate cancer. Yes, green tea is a miracle drink. Point number 5, may protect the brain from aging. Not only can green tea improve brain function in the short term, but it may also protect your brain as you age. Alzheimer's disease is a common neurodegenerative disease, the most common cause of dementia in older adults. Several studies show that the catechin compounds in green tea can have various protective effects on neurons in test tubes and animal models, possibly lowering the risk of dementia. Point number 6 says, may reduce bad breath. The catechins in green tea also have benefits for oral health. Test tube studies suggest that catechins can suppress the growth of bacteria, potentially lowering the risk of infections. Streptococcus mutans is a common bacteria in the mouth. It causes plaque formation and is a leading contributor to cavities and tooth decay. Studies indicate that the catechins in green tea can inhibit the growth of oral bacteria in the lab, but there is no evidence as such that shows that green tea has similar effects. Point number 7, weight loss. All of us are drinking green tea mainly for weight loss. Let me tell you, a review of several studies found that the catechins in green tea and caffeine may have a role in increasing energy metabolism, which may lead to weight loss. The source of several different tea polyphenols-induced weight loss mechanisms suggested that the catechins and caffeine synergistically produced weight loss effects, as opposed to them being the result of caffeine alone. Most studies that have shown small changes in metabolism used green tea extracts with extremely high concentrations of catechins. Point number 8. Number 8 is lower cholesterol. Consuming green tea, either as a beverage or in capsule form, was linked to significant but modest reductions in total low-density lipoprotein cholesterol. Yes. Point number 9. Heart health. Green tea consumption is associated with reduced mortality due to cardiovascular disease. Those people who drank at least 5 cups of green tea per day had a reduced risk of mortality due to cardiovascular disease. The researcher concluded that the consumption of green tea was associated with favorable outcomes regarding the risk of cardiovascular and ischemic-related disease. The polyphenols in green tea may lower blood pressure, decrease inflammation, and improve epithelial function, which can help reduce heart disease risk in people with excess weight or obesity. Now I hope you understand these benefits of green tea and you are not going to miss on this drink. Okay, if you like this video, then share it with your friends, family and others. For further more videos, you must subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fit and Care. Okay, see you friends in a new video with a new topic. Take care of yourself and have a good time.